Hello guys, welcome back. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Another day, another beautiful day, so came out for a ride. If you guys watched my last video, I switched back to stock exhaust with the LeoVince Headers. I know it is strange, but I just wanted to try it out because I have a LeoVince Headers with LeoVince slipon, which do not have a dB killer, and the sound is extremely loud, which I enjoy, by the way. I love, I don't want to get hit by any cops or my neighbors, so I have new solutions coming in next few weeks. So in the meantime, I'm like, let me go ahead and put the exhaust on the LeoVince Headers, see how it sounds, and make it a little quieter for now until I get my new system. So I came out for a ride. I mean, it sounds pretty good. It's not bad. Actually, it's nice deep sound, but little, I mean, it's much quieter, and on the microphone it doesn't do the justice. If you guys can hear the sound, it has a nice little bass to it. Yeah, so I'm like, let me come out for a ride and let you guys know how it sounds and how I feel. I mean, I will still gonna have a full system, but a little bit of workaround to it, which I will let you guys know when I get the system. But for now, this should do. And I have few of the comments I got from you guys. How did I install the heat shield on the full headers? And I should have showed it on the video how I installed it, but I will show it to you guys today. I'll stop here somewhere to show you guys how I installed the heat shield on the let me show you to you guys. So if you guys look at it here, so I have the clamp right here. I know bike is hot, but this is how it's set up. So you just put the clamp and has a screw underneath that you just put the heat shield on. And I did the same thing with when I put my stock slip-on. I put one screw, just adjusted the clamp and put one screw here, and the other one has the screw on the silencer or the exhaust. So you guys can take a look. It's right here. I know it's tight space, but this is how it is. So I know many of you guys ask me like, how did I put the heat shield on, and they're surprised, and I didn't show it, and I should have, but this is how it's done. And this is the full headers from LeoVince. By the way, this is going to be, the headers is going to be for sale once I get my other system. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell this. So if you guys or anybody is interested, lives in the USA, I can ship it to you guys. So I'll have the full headers and the LeoVince system for sale. I'll probably post it on eBay, or if anyone is interested, just let me know.